Yeah. Hardwood baby shit, nigga. Yup. Yeah. Badass wolf, I'm tryna blow the house down. Disrespectful when I fuck, bitch, turn back around. I know black lives matter, but I still blow a nigga down. After I slide on this little nigga block, I'ma spin around. I'm about to go see my bitch again. It's been a while. Damn, I been in so much beef, I need a call. Bitch talk about she don't suck dick, you don't need a mouth. We be out late partying. You don't need a house. I ain't gonna say that I'm scared, but they don't leave they house. You should've saw that little nigga face when I saw him out. I just got a hard ass outfit. I picked it out. Sick my cousin think I fuck with him. I crossed them out. And he ain't got nowhere to stay, cause they put him out. Brody in the car off ease, still ain't run out. Blowing the horn at the ops crib, he still ain't come out. Smoking on some dookie ass weed, put that shit out. You think your bitch finna set you up, put that bitch out. Come to find out, that's her shit, she put your shit out. Soon as everybody went to sleep, I put my dick out. And I think it's finna rain right now. Everybody sit down. Gunshots, everybody get down. I think the plug gave your ass extra, that's a big pound. I can't even be 100 with my bitch, she'll flip out. Everybody treat me like my daddy, they dipped out. Yup. I say everybody treated me like my daddy, they dipped out. But I ain't even tripping though. Real shit. How the fuck the boys see your gun? It slipped out. Ask my mama what she want, a scat or a big house. Yeah, that nigga told on everybody, he a big mouse. I don't even hang around, dog, you got a big mouth. Just know I know it was your ass if it get out. If a nigga break in our crib while we there, he won't get out. Just know I'm talking about some money if I say I'm cripped out. Hardwood baby, nigga. Yeah.